Hello, today we're gonna talk about some basic string operations and how to take out specific numbers or alphabets out of your string. Let's say your A is equal to code name and C is equal to 47, and you want to see code name 47 like this. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to print A plus C. It is giving you an error because your C is an integer, not a string. If you want to add these two, then you have to replace this like this and you can get code name 47. Or there's another way, you can use the string function and you can convert your numerical number to a string. Now you can get the printout like this. Another thing is, for example, at some point in your code you have written this statement is true. When you apply the work, when you apply the for condition and if conditions, so at some point you use these kind of things like this statement is true, this statement is false. So sometimes you have some lengthy statements, and if you want to change this statement is true to uppercase or to lowercase, for example, then you can change it like this. B dot upper is basically a function, and when you have to call the function, so you have to use the parenthesis. So B dot upper will change your this statement is true to the uppercase. Similarly, if you want to change B dot upper to B dot lower, then you have to use B dot lower and parenthesis. Then if you want to store any of these two permanently into your B, for example lower or upper, then what you have to do, now your B is written as this statement is true in the lowercase, and if you want to store it permanently into the uppercase, then you have to do B is equal to B dot upper. Okay, if you print now your B is in uppercase. Let's talk about how to take a specific number alphabets out of your string. For example, in your string you have X is equal to Hitman. Okay, and you want to take output of a specific number. Let's count. Instead of counting, we can see that the length of X is equal to 6. So let's play with some numbers. Let's see what would happen. Okay, as you have seen, when I type 2 times 6, it's actually the length of these Hitman. So it is giving me the output as it is, there is no change. But when I type 5, so what is happening? It has removed this n. The total length is 5, so it is just giving me the output of the first 5 numbers. But what happened if I replace this from here to here? Okay, so now it is removing this 5 numbers and it is giving me the output of this. So we have understood, like, this is for the left side of the alphabets and this is for the right side of the alphabets. If you type here something like 0, it is starting from 0 and reaching until 6. Okay, so it is simply like this. If you write 4, so it is just giving you the output of first 4 numbers, the 3 numbers, 2 numbers, and like this. Similarly, you can take the numbers starting from 2 ending until 5, so you can get this, or you can change from 3 to 6. So this is how you can play with your strings, and you can use the string functions and string operations according to your desire and your requirements. So thank you very much. That's all for today.